Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
Following the new Patriotic Party NEC meeting, a National Executive Council meeting, the discussion focused among several other things, including Dr. Bawumia's running mate, John
Member of Parliament,
Kuma.
The party chairman here, Madam.
Okay.
He obviously be interested in what is going on there. He's a young man. Ohaso uradio mi nina na me pay attention.
I see.
Uradio mi me ta kwa sokore.
Okay.
Nti minam joso da bia na edi akoni aba. Eduru no bia me afa akire ho abesi a promise akwan bi da akire ho sa. If I sa kwan no so na me ho dwiri mi. Uradio mi ahwa masa kwan ni nyina oyi. I was concerned about what is happening. But also I mean, he's also continuing, like I will put it, the good works of Ura Dumi.
Yeah.
I just say very fortunate. I just no, it's true.
Akoma FM 87.9.
Omo emrantia epie ewa bamuni nyina emrantia omo ni ofom. You know, they want to do something. I don't know, Chairman Sabunsu, Angelo. It's John Kuma a potential. See, I think come away, baby. I'm not here to say, or your brand here to do Tionya Butre. Where can we see a teacher for an this uncle?
Okay.
Nobody be say, or your brand here to do Tionya Butre. So far, I don't have anything against him. I will also give him a plus.
I see.
Yeah, let us maybe so a brand here to do.
Other than a brand here, he's a very fantastic guy.
I'm not against him, but I mean him how stronger the Christian ties in here of him they offset it, a case that will be made in the days to come.
Oh yeah, I am very religious. As a matter of fact, the wife, a founder and leader of a church out to Ayasafu Papa, a very religious person.
That is good.
Very, very religious person, and it's a the wife own a very big church in Accra as a prophetess. Our no ankasa edi anymore. So, we are a very religious person. For that, I know.
Okay.
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.